What if I told you that the reason you're not saving money has nothing to do with how much you earn, and everything to do with something much simpler, something most people completely ignore? Because right now, some of the people building real financial stability are not earning big salaries. They are not business owners. They are not investors yet. They are people who simply learned how to handle small money correctly. And that changes everything. So let me ask you something. If someone earning very little can still grow savings slowly but consistently, then what exactly is stopping you? Think about that for a second, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how people turn tiny income into growing savings, step by step, without stress. And the last strategy might completely change how you see money forever. Why most people never start saving. Let's be honest. Most people believe this one idea: I will start saving when I start earning more money. It sounds logical, right? But in reality, it is one of the biggest financial traps ever created. Because here is what actually happens. When income increases, expenses also increase. New clothes, new food habits, new responsibilities, and suddenly, there is still nothing left to save. So the problem was never income. The problem was never amount. The real problem is behavior. Because saving is not something you start later. It is something you start small and grow over time. Even if it feels useless at the beginning. The power of small money. Let's break something important down. Small money feels useless. That is why people ignore it. But here is the truth. Small money is where wealth is built, not big money. Let that sink in. Because someone who cannot save $1 today will struggle to save $100 tomorrow. Not because they don't earn enough, but because they never built the habit. So the goal is not to wait for more money. The goal is to train your brain to respect small money, even if it feels insignificant, even if it feels too small to matter. Because consistency is what turns small into big. The 1% saving method. Now let's talk about something very simple, but extremely powerful. The 1% saving method. This means every time you receive money, you remove just 1% immediately, before you touch anything else. Not later, not when you remember, immediately. So if you earn a small amount a day, you still save a small portion, even if it is tiny, even if it feels like nothing. Because what you are building is not money first. You are building discipline. And discipline is what creates financial control. Not income, not luck. Discipline. Separating money so your brain doesn't confuse you. Here is something most people never realize. When all your money stays in one place, your brain treats it like everything is available to spend. That is why saving becomes difficult. So you need separation. Not mentally, physically. Create different roles for your money. One for spending, one for saving, and one for growth. Even if the amounts are small, even if it feels unnecessary. Because once money is separated, your spending behavior automatically changes. You stop guessing. You start planning. And that is where control begins. The leak you don't notice. Now let's talk about something dangerous. Because this is where most savings disappear. Slowly, without notice. It is not big spending. It is small spending. A drink here, a snack there, quick transport, impulse data purchase. Small things, but repeated daily. They become something big. And suddenly, your money is gone, without you even noticing where it went. So here is a challenge. For the next 7 days, don't change anything. Just track every small expense. Just observe it. And by the end of that week, you will finally see the truth. Money is not disappearing. It is leaking, giving your savings a purpose. Now let's fix another problem. Most people try to save money, but they have no reason for it. And that is why it never grows. Because money without direction always gets spent. So instead, give your savings a job. Maybe it is emergency protection. Maybe it is future investment. Maybe it is skill development. Maybe it is a business idea. Because once money has purpose, you stop touching it unnecessarily. It becomes intentional, not emotional. Why emotions destroy savings? Let's be real for a moment. Most financial mistakes are not logical. They are emotional. Stress spending, impulse buying, trying to feel better. Instantly. These are silent destroyers of savings. Because in that moment, it feels small. It feels harmless. But later, you realize you traded your future stability for temporary comfort. So before you spend anything, pause for a second and ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it, or because I feel something right now? That question alone can save you more money than any financial advice ever will. The 3-wallet system that changes everything. Now here is a simple system used by disciplined savers. The 3-wallet system. Wallet 1 is for spending. Wallet 2 is for saving. Wallet 3 is for growth. And the rule is simple. You do not mix them, even if the amounts are small. Because when money is structured, your decisions become clearer. You stop overthinking, and you stop overspending. Because everything already has its place. How small money starts to grow. Here is something people misunderstand. Savings does not grow because it is big. It grows because it is consistent. Even small amounts, when repeated over time, becomes something meaningful. Think of it like drops of water. One drop means nothing, but many drops together and fill a container, then a bucket, then something much bigger. So the question is not, how much can I save today? The real question is, can I repeat this tomorrow? Because repetition is what builds results, not size. The real reason people fail. Let's be honest. Most people don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they stop too early. They try saving for a few days. Then they stop. They try budgeting once. Then give up. They try tracking expenses. Then forget. But money growth does not reward effort. It rewards consistency. So even if your savings are small, keep going. Even if it feels slow, keep going. Because slow progress is still progress. And progress compounds. Your new money identity. So let's bring it all together. You don't need a high income to start saving. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need motivation. What you need is structure. What you need is consistency. What you need is control over small money. Because small money, when handled correctly, becomes big money over time. So start today, not tomorrow. Start small, not big. Because the goal is not to impress anyone. The goal is to build a system that grows quietly in the background. And one day, you will look back and realize it was never about how much you earned. It was about what you did with what you had.